This game is called Burger Please. It's like a burger building company or whatever. So now we've got some money that they give straight away. And we've got our own burger place. Well done. Congratulations. We've done it. Grand opening. Woo! Alright. So, let's go inside. Create a table. $5. It's an expensive table, eh? Alright. Now we're 50. Oh, burger machine. So the whole business runs on this. I guess you need it. Oh, that's a pretty basic burger machine. Whoa, what just happened there? I picked up a few burgers for some reason. What's this? 100. Oh, the counter. Alright. Someone's here already. We got a customer. What do I do? Oh, place the burger there. Okay. Now go to a till. Awesome. Yo, we got our first sale. Well done. Alright, second sale. Get more burgers. So I just run here. Okay. And then I give them burgers. No seat? What do you mean no seat? How do I get more tables? Oh, I have to go fix the table. That's mad. That's actually mad. Alright. I didn't know I can just watch my screen actually. It's a lot easier. Alright. I don't know what I got in my hand, but clean the table, bro. This is solid. It's a lot of running around you have to do, you know, those tips. Empty the trash. Oh, that's trash. Create another table. Alright, makes sense. Makes sense. Why haven't I got the money? I do have the money. Oh, there. You have to stand on the money. I don't want reward. Is it free? Oh, okay. Now what? Level 2. Get. Okay, I don't want to buy stuff. It's fine. No, I don't want to rate it now. We'll rate it later. Alright. But I'm actually enjoying this game. This is a really fun game. Pick up the burgers. Give them burgers. Sit down. You know the good thing is, we've got more cheers. Right. What do I actually do at the till? There's nothing to do at the till, so I don't know why it sends me back there, you know. Yo! These must be some tasty burgers, because the line is huge. Oh, what's going on here? What's this all about? Tap to close. They're just gonna make me do stuff. That's the trash. What's a new zone all about? I'm already on a new zone. Alright, let's see what the new zone's saying. Okay. Alright, we got a HR office. Don't know what this is all about. £40. Hey, we got an office. Yeah, that's great. Okay. What's this? Another office? We got 2 offices. Awesome. Alright. Pretty good. We need more staff, to be honest. The amount of people waiting for burgers, this ain't good, you know? Customer satisfaction. I mean, they're happy eating them, but I wouldn't wait this long for a goddamn... What's that? What's this? What? No, I don't want that. Don't know what the hell that is. Okay. Is that 2 tills now? No. So I just do select on this. Done. Okay. So now we have someone in the till, which is awesome. Yo, this line is never ending. Alright. I'm actually really enjoying this game. A 150 bonus. Can I pick that up? Okay, maybe I can't. Let's get the money. Trust the trash. We need a place to get more. We need more burgers, basically. People need to sit down. More money. Right, there we go. There we go. Right. Sit on the table. Yes. Now this business is rolling. We're doing good. People are happy. People are very happy. Okay. I'm getting carried away with this game. I'm actually really enjoying it. We need another burger machine. It's not enough burgers, I think. I can only carry 2 burgers for some reason. which ain't good. Okay. Okay. Clear the tables, and yeah, we're good. Is there anywhere else to go? That's it. There's no other up. What's that? Not. I need a vault. HR office. Can I say, yo, mate? We need. What's this? Employee. Oh, you can get more employees. 3 diamonds for an employee. Take it. Sorted. Now there's 2 of us. It's a bit slow. Why is he walking like that? Bro! Alright, let's see what he does. I just want to see what he does. Oh, he's actually yes, he's taking the burgers here. Might be a she. Could be anything. I don't know. But guy's walking very slow. What's this? Yeah. Nah. Let's get some money. Okay. Right. Yo, I'm really enjoying this game. We're gonna continue to play this game. I'm gonna jump off right now, because I'm getting carried away with it. I was only meant to be here for like a quick thing. And then, oh, what's this? Hang on. What? What was that? It's like a, oh, you can take them away? Takeaway box or something? Pick up burger. I don't know. The only way to find out is by putting it there and seeing what happens. Alright, so put the burger there. And then what? I don't know what this is. What the hell is that? Oh, it's an order from outside. So where is this? Oh, bro, that's mad. That's actually amazing. Alright. Now it's getting hard. Because that is the takeaway, you know, drive-throughs. That's what it is. Damn. Alright. Oh, yeah, we need one more burger machine. Am I low on cash? Don't know. I think I am. Alright. Does anyone clean the tables? Yes, they are. Alright. Oh, you can't clean a table while there's trash there. Okay. Let's go. Let's do this. Alright. I need more stuff. Slowly picking up. More burgers! Alright. There we go. Take that, mate. Give me the money. Yeah. This is solid. Alright. But yeah. We'll come back to this. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Over and out.